How to cancel Super Duolingo subscription. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the process of canceling your Super Duolingo subscription. So this is a straightforward procedure and I'll guide you through it step by step. So to begin, you have to first launch any web browser on your mobile device, or you can also do the same process in your PC or laptop as well. Launch the Google Chrome web browser and then go to duolingo.com and make sure that you've logged in with your specific account. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and then click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now this will take you to a new screen with various settings available. From there, we'll move on to the next step by selecting to the subscription option, and this is where you can view your current subscription details. As I've not taken or activated any plan or subscription on Duolingo, the options are not visible for me, but if you have taken the subscription of Duolingo, this is where you can view your current subscription details. And finally, to complete the cancellation process, you need to choose the cancel subscription option that will be available in the screen. Provide a reason for the cancellation, such as wanting to try the Super Duolingo temporarily, and then click on continue. And finally, tap and proceed to cancel and confirm your cancellation by selecting the cancel subscription again. You will then see a confirmation message indicating that your subscription has been cancelled. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can cancel the Super Duolingo subscription. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.